Hi guys, my name is Gina Babak and I'm a full-time online marketer, business coach and traffic vendor. I spent 4 years of my life and $40,000 to finally crack the code of affiliate marketing and start making up to $2,000 plus per week online with affiliate marketing strategy. So I created the Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp to share my winning strategy and tools are used for my business with you. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, now you will learn how you can build your own recurring passive income machine, and all you need to do is just join Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp. Finally, you'll get access to knowledge and all the tools you need to crush it online. To be successful online, you just need to have a proven to convert offer, an automated funnel for the offer, proven traffic source, and last but not least, you need to make money while building your list. So how would you like to start your morning with this kind of news? Okay, the problem number one which I see, the price is too high, okay? Sure, it's cool to have your own offer and your own sales funnel and your own affiliates driving traffic to it, but it's not that easy. It's not that easy to create your own offer, and it's even harder to create a multi-step sales funnel for the offer, okay? The cool funnel can easily cost you up to $50,000 and months, if not years of work, okay? Plus, you need to be a pro already to know how to do it. Problem number two, you need a lot of traffic to make it all work for you, okay? So let's imagine that you have a cool offer, and now all you need to do is, as they say, okay, just send traffic to start making sales, right? Okay, but you already spent all your money on solo ads and other traffic sources, and still you're not making enough money from your funnel, and you just cannot afford to pay for traffic anymore. Okay, problem number three, you want it done for you. Okay, so you want to have an automated funnel working for you 24/7, but you don't have any time to learn how to create it, and you don't want to invest thousands of dollars in years of your life to learn new skills. Still, you would gladly invest some money monthly to create and grow your new online business as a side hustle. You just want it done for you. Okay, don't worry, I have a solution for you. Let me introduce the Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp to you, okay? Who is this for? You can be a man or woman, young or old. You may have some experience, or you can be a complete zero newbie with zero experience. This is perfect for you. Why? You have some budget to start your new business, okay? If you understand, it will take time to build your new business, okay? If you're ready to learn and invest your time and money to build your new business online. Who's this not for? If you are in a really bad financial situation, this is not for you. If you are looking for a free and fast solution to make money, not for you. You don't have money and time to build long-term business online, not for you. But if you are okay with small investments of money and small investment of time, okay, we are ready to start. We will save you time and money. You'll get access to done for you, proven to convert offer, and even to a sales funnel, okay? Done for you, automated income sales funnel. You'll get access to free lead generation tool to drive traffic. Step number one, join Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp and just watch my introduction, okay? Learn how it all works. Watch day one video. Step number two, setting up your business. So again, just go step by step, watch the introductional video first and simply import your endless profit funnel and connect your autoresponder as I show you. Okay, step number three and day number three, push traffic button. Wow, you'll be able to use free traffic to make your own passive income blueprint work for you 24/7. And how to do it, I show you in day number three. Step number four, follow the daily income producing activity plan. This is a very important step because most people don't make money online, don't make sales every day because they don't have actually the plan, what they need to do daily to make sales daily. And now you will have access to the daily income producing activity plan and to all the tools you need to drive traffic to your new funnel and to promote your new offer, okay? Now, you will also be able to make money as an affiliate. Okay, so just register as an affiliate, promote Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp. Okay, all you need to do, you'll be just promoting the first page of the Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp funnel, and since we have a lot of upgrades inside of the funnel, you'll start making money. And don't forget that you will be promoting the first page of the funnel using free lead generation tool, which I will share with you inside of the Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp membership area. Now, guys, this is it. It's just $7 to join. So what you are waiting for? Just join us now, okay? And go and watch Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp training. I'll see you.